How to use online tools to boost your business. Welcome to Success Spark Wisdom, your go-to channel for practical tips and insights to elevate your business journey. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that can transform the way you operate and grow your business, using online tools to boost your success. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, leveraging the right online tools can save you time, enhance productivity, and help you connect with your audience more effectively. Let's start by discussing the importance of online tools in today's digital landscape. The business world has changed dramatically, and having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. From marketing automation to project management, online tools can streamline your operations, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business. First, let's talk about marketing tools. One of the most effective ways to reach your target audience is through digital marketing. Tools like social media schedulers and email marketing platforms can help you manage your campaigns effortlessly. Imagine being able to schedule your posts across various social media platforms in advance. This not only saves time, but ensures consistent engagement with your followers. Email marketing platforms allow you to connect directly with your audience, providing them with updates, promotions, and valuable content. Personalizing your emails can significantly increase engagement and drive conversions. With tools that offer analytics, you can track the performance of your campaigns and adjust your strategies based on real-time data. Next, let's explore project management tools. Whether you're working alone or with a team, staying organized is crucial. Online project management tools can help you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and team collaboration. You can create to-do lists, assign tasks to team members, and monitor progress all in one place. This not only improves productivity, but also fosters better communication among team members, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Communication tools are also essential for any business. With remote work becoming more common, having reliable communication channels is vital. Tools like video conferencing software and instant messaging apps allow you to stay connected with your team, no matter where they are. Regular check-ins and virtual meetings can maintain team morale and ensure that projects move forward smoothly. Now, let's not forget about financial management tools. Keeping your finances in check is crucial for any business. Online accounting software can simplify your bookkeeping processes, allowing you to manage invoices, expenses, and cash flow with ease. These tools often come with features that generate reports, giving you insights into your financial health. This can help you make informed decisions and plan for future growth. Another area where online tools can make a significant impact is customer relationship management, or CRM. A good CRM tool helps you manage your interactions with current and potential customers. It keeps track of customer data, sales leads, and follow-ups, ensuring that you never miss an opportunity. By understanding your customers better, you can tailor your services to meet their needs, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. As we wrap up, remember that the key to using online tools effectively lies in choosing the right ones for your business needs. Take the time to explore various options, read reviews, and even try out free trials. The tools you select should align with your business goals and enhance your workflow. Thank you for joining us today on Success Spark Wisdom. We hope you found these insights helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to help you succeed in your business journey. Until next time, keep sparking your success.